Let's do it. Everyone keeps saying Claude AI is better than everything else. So I decided to try it out myself. Now, I'll be honest, I'm using ChatGPT for most of my everyday stuff still to this date. Whether I'm comparing a phone to another phone, or just being lazy to search on Google, searching on ChatGPT, or asking something I've asked it before. And to be honest, it just works for me and it knows too much about me at this point. But here's the thing, I wanted to build an iOS app, which means I need to learn Swift. And instead of taking the traditional route, I thought, why not? Let's just try an AI agentic coding this time. And that's when I decided to use Claude AI and document everything for you guys, my learning curves and everything. But there was one major problem, installing Claude Code through terminal. Not exactly beginner friendly. For me, it was fine. I come from a computer science background. I've studied it in college. But when I explained it to my cousin, he was like, "What is terminal? What is even that? How you even open that in your computer?" So, he doesn't know anything about it. And I think most people who's not into coding or who's not into too much tech stuff, they will feel the same way. But they really want to try out Claude, and they have heard about Claude, I guess, everywhere at this point. So I built something to fix that. It's a website which I built using Claude, and it's running. It's up right now. You can check it out. Link is in the description. You click on that link, you go to the website, you click on Nerdify, you go to how to set up Claude Code, page comes up, you read through it. It's pretty straightforward. You just copy that terminal command and then you just paste it on your terminal, and there you go. You have Claude on your computer, Claude Code, and then you can run it through your terminal. It's pretty straightforward. You guys can learn through just going on my website, reading through those articles, how to connect through Blender MCP, or how to connect to your Vercel, or even let's say you're using GraphQL, which I'm using right now for my backend, upload blog posts, so I don't have to hard code every single time. I just can go on that website and upload a new post there. Let's talk about something no one tells you. Claude is not cheap. Here you can see. So these are the 3 plans Claude has right now. I think there's one above this one, but there's a free one which is $0, and then there's a pro one which is $17, and then there's a max one which is $100. So what you get in this one is basic stuff like basic sonnet, but after like 3 or 4 prompts, this will run out. You will not be able to use it. It will completely useless. Plus you don't get Claude Code, so you cannot run it on terminal and do all kind of that stuff like if you want to do coding. So you can still figure out ways to do it, but it's not as easy. What I did, I paid for this one because I'm not sure if I was gonna use this much. So basically this gets you everything. You can use the new Opus, new design, Claude design. So for me, the basic one is good enough if you use it smartly. I'll tell you how. I was using the most powerful model, Opus, for everything. For prompting, for asking questions, for everything. It's like using Ferrari to go do groceries, which is not economical. I was hitting my hourly limit, I was hitting my weekly limit, and then I was waiting for it to reset. That's when I realized that I had to make some changes and I need to research about how I can make it economical, because I don't want to spend so much on API usage. So I had to research why it is using. So I switched. So I learned this is not about using an AI. It is about using it strategically. So I did some research and found few simple ways which can help you avoid hitting those limits. First one, choose the right model. Like if you're using for basic stuff, basic tasks, basic questions, use HiQ. and leave the heavy task like coding or heavy problem solving to Sonnet or Opus. And if you're doing something really intense or you want to optimize and you want to optimize speed, solve bigger problems, difficult problems, I think you can use Opus. You can still try see if Sonnet can do it, but if not, then use Opus for that. Second is context. How you manage that. It's most important because every time Claude runs, it reads through the whole context window again, and that burns through the tokens pretty fast. What you can do is clear it out. So just do /clear and it's gonna clear the whole window and it's gonna start from new, or you can just do /compact. It's gonna summarize everything. That also saves thing. Third, track your usage. See where there's a GitHub tool. I will link it down below, which you can just download, and it's basically a skill and a Python file which creates a dashboard where you can see where your majority of tokens are being spent. So after using Claude for almost 2 weeks, I can say this that it's pretty good. And if you're a beginner and you want to build projects and you don't know how to code, you should go ahead and download Claude Code. It will really help you. And if you're someone who already know how to code, this becomes force multiplier. Personally, I'm shipping faster than ever. But here's the key. Don't rely on AI. Use your brain to guide it, to learn from it, and challenge it. That's where the real power is. So yeah, Claude is powerful, but only if you use it right. Thanks for watching this video. Go check out this website. It's really helpful for anyone who's learning to code, anyone who's learning how to use Claude or any other agentic AI. I will keep uploading this website so you can check it out. Currently I'm using Claude, so if you need to know how to set up Claude, which I've already talked about, or how to connect through MCP, check it out. And thanks for everything. Keep watching. New vlog will be out soon in 2 days. Bye for now.